breaking news. Sonia Gandhi wades into pollution war. Sonia Gandhi says slow motion public health tragedy. Citizens breathing in toxic air daily. She also cited heavy human toll of pollution, 34,000 pollution deaths in 10 cities per year. That is what Sonia Gandhi has written. She has now waded into the pollution war. Remember, this comes amid the toxic air that the residents of Delhi NCR are breathing. The AQI continues to remain in the very poor category for days now. And Sonia Gandhi has cited that there's a heavy human toll of pollution, 34,000 pollution deaths in 10 cities per year. And she has also said that it's a slow motion public health tragedy. Citizens are breathing toxic air daily. My colleague Amit Bhardwaj is now joining us on this story. Amit, give us more details on the concerns that have been cited by Sonia Gandhi in this article on pollution.
Well, Anjali, Sonia Gandhi, the chairperson of the Congress Party's parliamentary party, has expressed her concern in an opinion piece this morning, in which she's actually speaking about the larger issue of the Aravali Hills and as to how she's claiming that the definition of the Aravali Hills has been diluted, because of which it is a literal death warrant for the Aravalis, which works as a barrier for the Gangetic plains from it becoming, getting impacted by the Thar desert, desertification. So it works as a barrier, as well as it also takes care of the environmental or the air pollution situation in the national capital. So she's on that note going on to speak as to how people living in the national capital step out of their home for their daily lives, and as part of their routine life, they are inhaling toxic air, and as to how this has become part of the yearly routine for people living in the Delhi NCR region. And she also goes on to say that there's an estimate that in 10 years of time as to how 30,000 deaths could be actually possible. So it's a slow impact but a deadly impact of the air pollution. So this is an opinion which many of the health experts have been also raising this year, more so with the worsened air pollution conditions over the years, and it becoming even more critical around this time, not only for Delhi but also the adjoining areas. So it is a North India air set problem that she's also speaking about, but she's basing it on the premise of the Aravali Hills issue, which is again one of the key issues which could be actually raised by the opposition parties in this particular parliamentary session. And Sonia Gandhi, so one of the topmost leaders of the Congress party, herself expressing her concerns about the issue of Aravali and as to how this is going to impact not only the air pollution situation in the national capital, but also the Gangetic plains when it comes to the impact of the Thar desert. Back to you.
All right, Amit, thank you so much for all those details and for that context on the op-ed piece by Sonia Gandhi, who has written on the pollution war, and she has cited how the humans are paying a large cost for the pollution that prevails in the national capital. The residents continue to breathe toxic air daily.